Today's lessons, we're gonna see how to configure devices using TIA Portal v13. First of all, open TIA Portal v13. Then click on Create a new project. Give a name to your project. For our example, we're gonna give it a name PLC Configuration. Put a comment if you want to, and then hit Create. Comments are useful, guys. A pop-up window appears showing you that the project is being created. After it being created, another project window appears. It's called Project View. In this project, you will choose what kind of CPU you want to. If you are confused what kind of CPU do you have, just let TIA Portal choose for you CPU automatically. Let's go to the CPU and go to the bottom of the list and click on Unspecified CPU. In our case, we don't know what kind of CPU we have, but it's similar to the 300 series. So we choose Unspecified CPU 300 series and click Add. And then pop-up windows will appear with the accessible devices on it. And here you choose the communication protocol according to the communication port in your CPU. For example, MPI, Profibus, or Ethernet, or any other way of communication, and let TIA Portal detect your CPU. In our demonstration, we don't have a physical CPU, so we're gonna use simulation. It's called PLC Sim in TIA Portal. So click on Cancel and go to Add a new device. Go to Controller. Here we will choose an S7 300 CPU, so we will go and click on Schematics S7 300 and click on CPU we will choose. We will choose CPU 314C 2PN/DP. The C stands for compact, that comes with module installed with the CPU. As we can see, when we click in the module number, it gives us a description and specifications of our CPU. As you can see, we have 24 digital input and 16 digital output, and an analogic module with 5 analogic inputs and 2 analogic outputs. Also, you can see the supported types of communication is MPI, Profibus, and Profinet. Make sure you choose the right firmware version and hit OK. After that, we give our PLC a name, for example, 314 PLC. To define the input and output addresses, just click on the module, go to Input-Output Addresses in the bottom left, and type the addresses you want to give to your module. We give 0 as a start address and 9 to the end one. And move to the next module, which is the digital input-output. And set the addresses for this module. Click in Input-Output Addresses and gives it start and end ones. As you can see, you can type the same start and end addresses because it's already occupied by the digital module. So we will start from the end address of the digital module, which is number 10. After that, we will add special devices by adding HSP files or GSD. while HSP files will add special functionalities and for your TIA software and provided by Siemens. But a GSD file will add special devices that are from any manufacturers. For example, you have an ABB or Rockwell device and you want to add it in your project. So you have to download the specific GSD file from your manufacturer and install it through TIA. And you will find them in your hardware catalog as you can see. So we will install these GSD files. After that, we add a power supply module. Here you see in the rack the power supply always in the left of the CPU. We'll choose 5 amp power supply. You can also add more module depending on your CPU capabilities. We will add an IM module to expand the rack or to connect to another rack. Just for example, future module always go to the right of the CPU module. As you can see, if you select any module, TIA will automatically gives you the opportunity to put added module in the right of the CPU. If you don't know, in TIA portal you can drag and drop input and output from your hardware configuration window to your program area field window. As you can see, after we zoom in, you can find the specific addresses and you can read them and also write directly the tags from here. So, see you next time with the next video and goodbye.